Hey guys, welcome. Today's video we're in a kitchen, as you can all see. Cool, because today we're going to show you how to make the best sandwich in the world. Hope you guys enjoy. Follow these step-by-step rules to see how to create this amazing masterpiece. So, hope you guys enjoy, and here we go. So the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to butter both sides of these amazing white semi-breads, just like that. Yeah, just like so. Flip it over on one side. Yeah, we're gonna just do the other side. Both sides buttered. So once it hits the grill, then, or not the grill, the stove, you'll be all sunny side up, right? As you can see, I have both sides buttered on each side of the bread, like that. Now my butter is ready, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this baby on the grill. On the stove, I mean, I don't have a grill on me, so I'm going to just stick that stuff on the stove. Anyways, perfectly fine. Stove, so just like that. We're just gonna flip them like that. Perfect. Alright. Now, I got some, I fired up some tuna. As you can all see, we're making some tuna sandwiches. And I have this smothered in just mayo. Just get some nice stuff when we pop it on the stove again. So as I do that, yeah, we're gonna just pop that stuff right. Medium heat as it all sticks together. Let's stick it together like that. Perfect. I sliced up some cheese to put on the bread so it'll melt, you know? You know how to do that? No. It's gotta be a little puzzle, because I didn't cut it very good. Slice up some, got some tomatoes here. We're gonna put on that baby, just like that. Grill that thing for a little bit. Now, I got some diced pineapple. So what we're going to do is we're going to man, it's really on there. Alright, now what I'm going to do is put some throw in some pineapple juice onto the tuna like that. Gotta get a spatula. Woo! Yeah, to grill that stuff like that. And I gotta get Now, I gotta spoon some of the pineapple. Onto that. Alright, now after your pineapple's semi-cooked, just move this over and just spread that all over the tuna melt like that. Just like so. Just like that. See? Now you make sure you want to check your bread. As sure as this will be grilled. And the tomatoes. Like so. Sure this. Sure that gets a little cooked more. Now, once this looks good and your sandwich looks good, your bread with the cheese looks good. Oh yeah, that's good. Get off the grill. It's kind of a little bit. Get that shit off. You can turn that off. We're gonna lift up and move the melted tuna onto the side with the cheese. Just like so. And you gotta move the tomato top of it. Looks freaking ugly, but you know. Very carefully onto the plate. Now, you guys don't need to have it look exactly like mine, but I'm going to put some ketchup, some lettuce, and plop it on just like that. And then you have to cut it, which is kind of big to cut right now. So what you're gonna do just like that, kind of, and it just explodes everywhere after you do it. But that's okay. We're gonna have to try more. Like I said, it's a little big than usual, but there you go. And that's how you make an amazing tuna masterpiece of mine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys check it out next time with another edition of How to Cook with Kyle. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it.